let's do unboxing. I've been waiting for this moment so I can unbox it for you. Alright, let me have a scissor. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Roche. Welcome to Beautymagz. In today's video, we are doing a 2021 Shopee haul. In today's video guys, I will be showing you what I got for this year. I shopped at Shopee last January, but since I was very busy with moving to a house, so we transferred just recently last second week of February, so everything is chaotic right now. My son is behind me so we'll cover him up. Okay, I'm in the living room right now. I'll be doing a empty house tour soon, just watch for it. Anyway, so what I got for this haul, please keep on watching and stick around. So the first item I got in Shopee is what? My son's clothes. Yes, I only be showing here one, but actually I bought him like 3 items. I got him a shirt, underpants, and sweatpants for nighttime. So the first item is sweatpants. This is around 300 pesos. And also, if you're interested with the vendor or the shop, I will leave it in the description. If you're interested, just comment down below so I will write it down for you. So this is the sweatpants. The material is really nice, very comfortable, and I do really like it. See, it's very nice. So the set is 3 for 300 something, and to be exact, I will leave it here. Okay. Alright, so this is the first item. Sweatpants, very nice, comfortable. My son is 6 years old, but he's small in his size, and this one is perfect for him. Alright, next item is for mommy. My phone case here is really like beat up, very broken. So I got myself a phone case. Let's do unboxing. I've been waiting for this moment so I can unbox it for you. Alright, let me have a scissor. This was delivered through Entigo. Entigo is really good. I like their company. The price for this is 79 or 76 pesos plus shipping and everything. It costs you around like over 200 pesos something, and this is what I got. I thought I got the same, different. Why is it all black? And why is it all 2? Actually, I ordered colorful. No, it's black. Well, black is good for me, but I'm surprised if this is supposed to be like red and pink. I was so excited for the mom. Okay, so this is soft cover, right? So since this is just the same, what's the purpose of this? And I got it in different. I don't know. Something's wrong with this. Anyway, I'll give them a comment. Watch out. Alright, so yeah. Okay, let's transfer if it fits. I have an older Samsung phone, so this is not the latest and greatest. But it works. I can do my work. I can do everything in this phone. So okay, so this is the phone case, my cell phone, the Samsung cell phone, which is an older one, and it fits perfectly. Yes. All right. I hope this would last because this is an expensive soft cover gel, like phone case. I wish this is pink. I was ordering pink and red. See, red? My color. Alright, so this is it. Okay. Why? Anyway, so I'm still happy with an expensive phone case, and still I'm able to get a phone case, right? It's been, this phone has been ages. And it still works. I drove it several times. It didn't have any cracks. Oh, Samsung. Android. Yes, I love you. Alright, next one. So the most interesting item I got. What do you think? What do you think? It is panty. So I ordered this online at Shopee, of course, and what I got is a dozen of these panty. Printed, no, flowery. Okay, so expectation versus reality. The picture is here, okay, and this is what I got. The shop did send me a photo before sending, and I did like make a comment there that, oh, the picture doesn't really like relate to the product, but it says the variety or variations of it. But I was really expecting that some kind of a bold or solid, you know, color, because I think I saw some solid color in there, but eventually it's not. And also it writes there 100% cotton, but in reality, mind you, this is Avon, okay. And for the, like, what is it for? Yeah, diba? It is only what, 35% cotton, the rest is polyester. But I would say it's very comfortable, it's very light, the size is perfect for me, XL. Better when it's more like larger than your size, it's more comfortable down there. This is it. Different kinds of color. This is a dozen of these, and I already like wore a few of these already, and yeah, so I like it. So these, and these, and these. So, and also orange. I got a panty. This one pink. Ito sana yung color. This was supposed to be the color of my phone, but how was it? I don't know. Okay, the last item, guys. Vitamins. Yes, vitamins for my little one. This is over 1,000 pesos. I got 2, and this is about 300 gummies. My son loved this since last year. It was given to us by our relatives in America, and good thing that Shopee has this. I got 2 for the year. I think my calculation, he can consume this up to November, and the expiration for this is 2022, which is really good. Some of the sellers, they are only the expiration is only like this year, and this one is up to 2022, so which is good. I like it. The seller is very fast in sending it, less than a week, so I like it. So I recommend that seller. I will leave her like description. This is not a plug, but I just like the service. The way they package this one is really good, bubble wrap with a good cardboard box. It's pretty good. Alright, so this is it. This is my Shopee haul video for 2021. If you are interested or any make comments on the items that I got here, leave it in the comment section. Write your thoughts, or if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and this is it for my video today. Thank you so much for watching. Beautymagz here. Bye.